Welcome to EduSys, the all-in-one educational institute software solution designed to transform how schools, colleges, and universities manage their operations. Preschool ERP, School ERP, Academy ERP, College ERP, University ERP. With over 980,000 students, 11 plus countries, and 900 plus clients, EduSys is trusted worldwide.
Today, let us discuss about school management software provided by EduSys ERP, the features and modules available in this ERP. These all are the features and modules provided by the EduSys ERP for school management. Home, dashboards. The dashboard represents the consolidated information of all the modules with graphic representation, and that chart shows the detailed information. Statistics. User summary. This screen helps to view the overall user count of whoever registered in this software in tabular form by selecting the respective filters which present on the screen. Vehicle summary. This screen helps to view the vehicle related information with respect to the route in tabular format. Dormitory summary. This screen helps to view the dormitory related information whoever the user opted as a dormitory in the tabular format. Topper summary. As per the grades which is generated in the grade management screen, here the system can show up to the top 10 list in tabular format with percentage and grades. Visitor summary. Whoever the users which added in the visitor management screen, that list will be visible in the screen by selecting respective filtration. Teaching plan summary. As per the syllabus and its plan configuration in the syllabus management screen, here the system shows the teaching details accordingly by selecting respective filters. Student attendance summary. As per the attendance screen, the attendance taken by the institution staff will be appear here as a dashboard by the filtration usage. Campus setup, institution registration. Institution info. This screen helps to view the institution details which has registered in IT admin login after onboarding, can make changes by clicking on the edit button. Branch registration. This screen helps to configure the branch details under the main institution. Branch user access. Same here as the access to the multiple branches. This means here we can assign or unassign the user to multiple branches. Campus setup, user registration. Student admissions. This screen helps to register the new student admission details including family and enrollment details, and here one more option is that bulk also we can add the student data into software by using bulk import button. Student admission screen 2. This screen is also the same as student admissions. However, in the single page we can see all the information which entered the student related information in the student admission screen, like attributes, referrals, documents, etc. And also we have an option to notify the users. Campus master, application master, master settings. This screen allows you to configure the align names as per your requirement, and this is for one-time configuration. Application settings. This screen is responsible to choose the option related to the institution with respect to the requirement. Based on the selection of the option, information will reflect in the respective screens in the software. Academic settings. Management can configure the academic related details in academic settings. Based on the configuration, it reflects in their respective screens. Departments and designations. The institution management can add the departments and designations as they wish. The management can add and assign the designations to the specific departments using the screen. Notification template. Management can configure their own templates for any type of notification using the screen. Notification alert master. Management can give or restrict the access of automatic notification to be received by the user, or with respect to the notification type, can opt the checkbox under the notification type field, can select the configured template for the notification and save using the edit option in message content. To select the message template, first we need to configure the template in the notification template screen, and also by using notification reminder screen, we can remind the users through notification type with respect to the notification message. Building management. Here, management can create an exam hall for students with details such as block name, floor name, room name, hall name, maximum capacity of students and hall type, and add some description if required. The number of halls added or created here will be displayed when the university management allocates the exams. No conflicts of creating two different halls with the same block name, same hall name, same floor name, same room number and hall type. Campus master, campus configurations. Load data. We can view all the sample Excel sheet for various screens accordingly. Management can dump a large number of records at once using load data. Guest view. We can configure, update and manage the information, upload images in a gallery and related information to their school from school software itself. Guest view social media. EduSys Guest View Social Media provides a standard free website to the institution with a unique guest view interface. This guest view helps the school management to manage the social media links. ID cards. Here, management can design the ID cards as per the requirement. Using ID card design session, can design the ID card in both portrait and landscape format by opting the required fields for user role wise, and after configuration we have the option to generate and download it. Certificate management. Management can configure the certificates to the admin, staff and student using the certificate management screen, and we can generate and download it. Certificate approval. Any sort of certificates been designed that will go for an approval to the management based on the details provided. Event gallery. Whatever events been held in the institution can be added over here so that all the memories can be captured in one place. Academic setup, academic details, academic badge. This screen helps to configure the batch details using respective fields. This screen holds the details of school academic year, where the details such as start and end date of the school from the curriculum from the respective curriculum also capture the start time and end time of the school. Section management. This screen helps to add the sections for each curriculum, can have the option to increase the maximum strength of the student. Student to section. Here we can assign and unassign the student with respect to the sections and have the option to shift the other batches as well. Campus calendar. The campus calendar mentions all the important events happening at the institution at a color code calendar where the predefined color describes the event type. Academic subject management. The subject management screen is responsible for maintaining the list of subjects belongs to all the curriculums with respect to the curriculum year. Subject management allows the school to rename the subjects according to their curriculums. Faculty to subjects. This screen helps to assign staff a particular subject with respect to the curriculum and sections, and can add the secondary faculty as a backup for the primary faculty. Subject group setting. This feature enables management to assign subjects such as theory, practical, electives, languages to individual student by grouping them accordingly. Student can assign to one or multiple groups, and configure subjects are reflected directly in their timetable, while staff can view assigned subjects along with their respected groups. This enables accurate scheduling, support flexible group-based subject allocation. Timetable configuration. School management can generate a timetable for different curriculums section wise using this screen, and the same timetable can be generated for all the specific curriculums and sections and periods. Timetable details. Management can create a timetable for different sections of curriculums using the timetable detail screen. The timetable structure generated using the timetable configuration appears here. Timetable is automatically generated taking a list of subjects from the subject management chosen by the school. The generated timetable can be edited as per the management choice using edit option. The subjects are assigned to each period based on the number of periods. Management can also insert overall timetable details at once using the bulk import by uploading the data in the same format. EduSys Intelligence generates editable timetable unlike statistics ERP timetable. Timetable. The timetable summary provides information on configured and appeared curriculum-wise period of each curriculum. In this screen, users cannot make any modifications. It's only to view and the staff a timetable, subject timetable or both. Faculty timetable. The configured timetable which is displayed in the timetable screen will be reflected in the faculty timetable screen. This screen is all about management can view the day-wise and faculty-wise timetable. On selection of the date, in the date picker, management can view the faculty-wise timetable and can track easily for which teacher what subject is assigned and at what time. EduSys provide the faculty-centric scheduling visibility unmatched by other ERPs. Academic setup, syllabus management. EduSys provides an ability to upload syllabus information in different formats like images, words, documents, etc. Faculties can plan and lessons for the curriculum and students will stay on track with the protection taught in curriculum they skipped. The import button can be used to load the bulk information at once. EduSys support multiple format syllabus planning unlike document restrictions in the ERP system. Syllabus teaching. Roster teaching. The roster teaching screen shows the created syllabus details. This created syllabus can be assigned to the curriculum, can assign multi-lesson plan to a section. EduSys allows multi-lesson allocation per section offering superior academic flexibility. Period schedule. In this screen, management can track the complete lesson plan with respect to the staff assigned and the status of that plan along with rating given by the parent and student. Staff module. This screen helps the staff to view their information such as personal, professional and family information, qualification, details, salary, performance details in their own login. User management. Staff management. This screen allows the school management to capture staff information such as personal information, qualification details, salary details. Staff can be assigned to the department based on their specification. Management can register the staff just by clicking on the plus button beside add user. Management can import the bulk staff data using the bulk import staff option. User management, student management. This screen helps to edit, modify the student details like personal, professional and behavior, academic, fee, etc. Whatever we add in these screens will be reflected in the student portal, and a quick and easy way to search and access all the records current and achieved using various filtrations such as medium, curriculum, sections, etc. Student search can be done using curriculum wise, section wise filtration. On performing search option, the list of students matching search criteria appears in the grid along with the sections of the curriculum. On selecting the student from the grid, complete student personal details along with the primary contact, secondary and emergency contact. Student attendance. Digital diary. The management can look into the day-to-day activity of each period using period and activity screen. The period and activity details can be added only on taking the student attendance. Attendance entry and history. Staff can manage day-to-day attendance of the student easily by using the screen. Staff can add comments on the student behavior or activity. To notify parent in case of absence and presence, click on notify button. After making the attendance of all the students, if all the students are present, management can make them present all at once by simple clicking on the present button at the top. And we can import the attendance through bulk using Excel sheet. EduSys automates attendance with notifications and bulk import unlike manual ERPs. User management, role authorizations. This feature is completely about screen authority for user specific with respect to the modules, reports, dashboard authorizations, everything. User maintenance. This screen is about to reset the password for users and also have the option to inactive the user temporarily and active them again. Alumni users. User whoever registered in alumni registration screen, those are automatically reflected here, and user whoever graduated, those users also we can see. EduSys maintains lifelong alumni engagement unlike ERPs that stop at graduation. Task management. This feature is about add task information with respect to the user. Whatever task we added here automatically reflecting in the user portal. Accounts management. To manage the institution related accounts such as petty transactions, wallet transactions, journal entries, we can use this screen. We have an option to add the taxes, institution account details, account heads here, and we can see all the financial reports like balance sheet, accounts overview, balance sheet, profit and loss statements, etc. HR management. Staff attendance. This screen helps to mark the attendance for staff and notify the staff as well. Bulk import option also available here. Leave management. This feature is about configuring and generating the leave information with respect to the user configurations. And management can have an option to apply the leaves for the staff and also have an option to approve, reject staff payroll. Complete payroll details can be managed here, such as generation of payslip details, salary configurations, salary dates, project details, etc. Payroll structure. With respect to the user, we can configure the salary here, adding the component, salary structure, tax components, etc. Hourly based salary configuration can be added over here with respect to the employee. Payslip details. We can see all the details generated payslips here, salary date wise and department wise. Payslip dashboards. Whatever payslips been generated by the HR department as a dashboard, we can see every month here. 101 meeting. If we like to meet any of our staff, we can generate a 101 meeting scheduling here, and with respect to the details given here, automatically in the user portal the schedule will be appeared. Expenses management. Management can manage the staff expenses details using the screen. The details will display when the staff has entered the expenses details through their respective screen. Staff recruitment. This feature is all about the institution management can add the job details if any openings or vacancies available. The user who applied for the job from the website will fall on the screen and also can enter the user details who has come to the interview the institution using the screen. Fee management. By using this functionality, we can configure the fee types, whatever fee structure, and allocating that structure to the student with respect to the curriculums. Special fee management. Here we can also add with respect to the regular fee, we can add the special fee configuration with respect to the curriculum and section or class. Fee receivables. By using the fee receivable screen, we can collect the fee and generate the fee receipts for the student. Transaction approval. Any sort of payment approvals, management has to see all the approvals, and if they reject, it won't be managed by the accounts team. Once it is approved, then only accounts team can process any transactions. Account adjustments. We have an option to configure account adjustments in case of any payment errors in the application. Online fee transaction. We also handle the payment gateways. Whatever gateways are available in the ERP, based on the configuration, all the online payments can be tracked here. Fee invoice tracker. We can track all sort of fees, invoices, daily collection report in the screen, and rollback transaction as well. If any invoice been deleted by the accounts team, that can be viewed here as a rollback transaction. Campus operations. Automatic scheduler. By using this screen, we can schedule the notification to the user, and group wise also we can schedule, and automatic notification are also available here. Campus Plus. By using this functionality, we can give rating to the application, support and branch, and can provide poll questions to the users and place the campus related links here. By using the feature, we can manage the food program learning. This module is completely about documentation and creation and sharing the users, and we can manage course list, quiz questions, and conduct the assessments online, assign the test to the user as well, and we can see the performance of that particular assignment as well. Academics. Online test. By using this feature, we can create question banks and assign the test to the users as well. By using this module, we can configure online OOT screen, providing the school management with a wide range of choice or question type, multiple choice answers, multiple choice questions, yes or no, match the following, fill in the blanks, etc. Manage screen. Manage online objective test allows the create of an online objective test randomly or predefined for different curriculums, section wise subjects or terms along with the start date and end time. Assign. School management can assign the existing online objective test to the different sections of a curriculums on filtering them with the start time and end time. Activity. This module gives the information of current activity of online objective test and also the history of previous conducted online objective test. Grading system. Create a grades or use predefined grades. Overall weightage of different type of online objective tests such as exams, assignments, etc. can be added. Users rely on EduSys ERP to deliver world-class grading that is precise, transparent and fully customizable. School grading. This screen is developed to configure assessments for different curriculum sections term with many flexible features. The school management can choose the number of terms or examinations from the specific term list. The application provides the grading system with information by default. Scholastic subgrading. Scholastic subgrading for assessments can be created for the specific term which were added using scholastic grading. Management can create different type of assessment subgrading which are approved in the drop down of assessment subtype. Grade generator. The grade generator screen helps to generate the marks and grades of the particular term. Failless instant grade calculation. EduSys ERP ensures error-free result every time using the grade generator, earning global trust. Grace moderation marks. Configured moderation rules can be applied for the student using the screen and also can apply grace marks. Consolidated marks. The marks of all the assessments can be viewed under consolidated marks. Based on this, report card can be generated for the marks and grades secured by the students in different examination. Exam management. Exam invigilator. Management can register an invigilator using invigilator management screen where the necessary details of an invigilator are covered. Assessment scheduler. The management can schedule the existing and future assessment using the assessment scheduler screen. Assessment marks. Assessment marks screen gives the information of subject-wise marks secured by the student. Assignment details. Assignments can be easily created for any curriculum. Different assignments such as homework, quiz, presentation, project and bones can be created at one place without any confusion. Staff can add any document or files for the student reference purpose. Re-exam fee. The students who do not pass or absence for the regular exams and want to register for any attempt or for the betterment, they can register for the re-examination of that particular subject with respect to the fee type like improvement, supplementary, recorrection and re-evaluation in the next upcoming examination session. Re-examination scheduler. The re-exam schedule screen is responsible for providing the details of the re-exam schedule for the school who wants to register for the exam. Re-exam enrollment. This screen helps the management to configure supplementary improvement exams for the student who have failed. Re-examination marks. Re-examination marks screen allows the management to enter the marks for the students who have applied for the supplementary improvement exam. In this screen, student subject data will come from re-examination enrollment screen. Total marks of each student and student will display automatically from the enrollment screen. Once the exam date is done, then only management can be able to update marks obtained. Academic history. By using this module, we can add past student data and their fee marks here. Overall student summary we can view here. Lead management. The leads enquiries which institution receives that we can add by using the screen. After adding the leads, we can see all the leads on daily basis, dashboard, representation, hot leads, regularly leads managed, everything here. Dormitory. If an institution has a dormitory facility, then we can add the dorm details using this screen, like building information, room details, warden details. Can also manage timetable, outpass and visitor data here. Transportation. If the institution has a vehicle facility, then we can add the vehicle data and its route information, route user information, and assign the driver to the routes. That related information can see in the driver login and student login. Inventory. By using this module, we can add inventory data and its vendor information. By using this module, we can manage the franchisee details, product ledger, and franchisee inventory details as well. Library. Here we can configure the user-wise library allocated information and add the library data through screen-wise and bulk import. We can also add the library records and returns accordingly. We can see all the library transactions using the screen. Report module. By using this module, we can take and generate reports using this field from various screens like student admission report, staff report, attendance, fee report, etc. by using this module. Classroom. This module is completely for student based on the configured syllabus. Students can communicate to respected faculty using this feature. EduSys ERP transforms classroom into a world-class engagement hub, improving seamless student facility interaction like no other ERP.
Thank you. Unlock the potential of your institution with EduSys. Visit our website to start a free trial or reach out to schedule a personalized demo.